welcome back to my channel. My name is Desiree, and for today's video I am doing a decluttering and organization video. So the last time you've seen a video like this, I did it 10 months ago and I got rid of a lot of makeup then. So as you can see, I have a lot of face masks, I have a lot of makeup palettes, I have a lot of stuff that I have here that I am no longer using. So I'm going to either throw them away because they are old, or I'm going to pass them along to somebody else who just may use them. And I'm just going to put them in this random box here. And so let's just get right into it. The first thing I want to tackle is my eyeshadow palette collection. So I'm just going to start with this palette. I got this in a BoxyCharm, but I'm not using it, and I was not excited when I got it either. It's just sitting here in my collection, and so I'm just going to pass this along. I'm keeping this Laura Lee palette only because I don't have bright eyeshadows that look anything like this. So this is something I'm going to keep, so that's going to stay here in this collection. I love this palette. I'm keeping it. This palette I also got in my BoxyCharm. You can even clearly see where it says BoxyCharm. But I am not into this palette anymore. For a few reasons. It's because a couple of these shadows are not as pigmented as I would like them to be. They're actually the quite opposite. Okay, so the next thing I see here that I know I never use, and I've actually had this for a long time, is this Prism palette. I have the Sunset. I know I'm never going to use this. It's been sitting in my collection for forever, so that is so gone. I'm not sure if I want to get rid of this or not. I actually did enjoy this palette. I got this in a BoxyCharm as well. This is the bronzer and sculpting powders and 2 highlights. I'm not sure if I want to get rid of this yet, so I'm just going to put this on the side. Love this palette. Not going to get rid of it. I also really did enjoy this palette as well. Really love these colors. They're beautiful. So I think I'm going to keep that as well and continue playing with it. Still use this palette a lot. This is the Matte for Matte palette. I absolutely adore this highlighting. This is by Revlon. It's those crazy shades. Now I have room here, and now I also have this new palette here, so there's some room for that here now. So I also see this. I'm not actually using this. This is actually probably about a year old, I want to say. So I'm just going to get rid of this. I'm not using it. Goodbye. So next I'm going to go right into these, and I'm just going to see. So I have not touched this since the last time I decluttered, so that's going to go. I also have not touched this since the last time I decluttered. In fact, I think it's kind of open. No, it's not. This is a lipstick and lip liner duo, but I just don't reach for it. I don't touch it. I don't reach for it. Goodbye. I also don't use this, and in fact, I think this might be kind of old already. I need to smell it. Still smells like grapefruit. I don't know. I don't really have a beautiful color like this. Okay, I'm gonna think about that one some more. I really don't use this one either, but it's just sitting here in my collection, and they're beautiful lipsticks. I always said I was going to use them for work, put them in my purse and use them, but I never seem to use them. They're just sitting here. It's the Day and Night lipstick duo. Let me think about that one as well. Oh, love this one. Not getting rid of it. Love this lip gloss. Not getting rid of it either. Okay, so let's move on over here. I don't use this. This is a beautiful lip gloss, but in fact, it looks like it might have even lost its color a little bit, and I don't use it, so that's gotta go. Oh, sorry. I don't use this at all either. This is like a Fire Engine Red, but I don't touch it at all. This is supposed to be the L'Oreal. This is a primer that you put on your eyelashes, but I don't use this either. Maybe it's because it's always stuck in areas that I can't see. Kat Von D. I think I'm finally going to get rid of this. I don't use it. It's just sitting there. I never touch it. I don't know about this lip gloss. I think I'm still going to use it. I'm going to keep it. What's this? Oh, found a couple of lipsticks that's been hiding here for like forever. Okay. I don't use these either, but maybe it's because they've been hiding in here for so long. Okay, so I'm just going to leave them there. This, I really liked it during the summer. Got that in my BoxyCharm. So let's move on over here. My Selena lipsticks. We'll never get rid of them. Here's another lip liner. I'm going to call it eyeliner. Here's this lipstick. I think this is matte. I think I'm just going to think about that one some more. I don't ever use this, so that's going to go. I never use this, so that's going to go. I think this is old already. I'm not going to use this, and I think it might even have a smell to it already. No, it doesn't, but I just don't use it, so it's going to go. It's just sitting here. I'm never going to get rid of this. My first ever purchase from Sephora ever. Never going to get rid of my Selena lipsticks or my MAC by Lady Gaga because I'm such a huge fan of Lady Gaga. Never getting rid of those. What is this? Oh, this is that pinky shade that I always said I was going to try. Okay, so maybe now that I have lesser lipsticks, maybe I'll try it now. I just got this not too long ago. This is a black glitter by Katy Perry. I've been trying to think of ways that I can actually use this. What's this back here? Okay, this is mascara melt off, but I haven't used it in a while, so that's going to go. I believe I got that in a play box when I used to be subscribed to Sephora's play box. This as well I got in a play box. It's just a single eyeshadow that I'm not going to use like ever. These are, I believe, the original Brulee, and I think this is Nutty before they changed their formula. So I don't think I'm going to get rid of those. I think I'm just going to hang on to some more. Here's my Wet n Wild glitter. Here's my, my Note blush. I actually need to organize my blushes better. Put all my blushes together. I think maybe I can accomplish that today. Hopefully. So see, this here is a Physicians Formula bronzer that I was using. I kind of like, but I'm still on the fence about. Love this. Still using it. Just got this. Definitely going to try it. But maybe now that I have some room here, I can put them here. Still using this. Love it a lot. So now we're getting into more of the lipsticks. So I am still currently using the Flower Beauty. This I'm not touching at all, so that's going to go. I got this recently in my BoxyCharm. I kind of keep forgetting about it, so maybe now that I'm losing less lipsticks, I can use them. I never reach for these. They don't bring me joy or anything. Getting rid of them. I have this thing for just in case I ever reach that point where lipsticks are becoming to an end. I have not even used that yet, but I'm going to keep it just in case. This blush and bronzing duo, I think I have this in Fiji. That's the matte blush and bronzer, but I'm not using them anymore, and they don't bring me joy, so goodbye. This, however, is still bringing me joy, so I'm keeping that. Still love this. Will never get rid of this. And still need to use this. This just washes out your face completely, and you can definitely tell when you take pictures that you're wearing it. So I would rather just pass this along to somebody else. Maybe they'll like it better than I will. Okay, time to get into some of the lipsticks that I have here. So I just bought this, but it's actually way too dark for my lips. So I'm just going to pass this along to somebody else that could probably wear that better. It smells delicious, just like chocolate. Put that somewhere else. Touch of Spice. I really do love this shade. It's gorgeous. Oh, this is a lip exfoliator. Really great stuff. This is in Black Cherry. Love that shade. This is a really old lipstick, but this is the Mrs. Mia Wallace. This is also a dark brown that I love, and that actually suits me way better than the other L'Oreal. This is my Revlon Love lipstick. Love it. Love this lipstick. It's like a nice shade of everyday pink. Also love that. It's such a nice sweet pink. Love this. It's like a nice nudie, peachy lip. So I can now probably fit this in here since I now have a little bit more room. What's this? this is like a very nice light brown, but I don't ever use it. This is just sitting here in my collection. It's a beautiful brown, but I'm not using it. It's just sitting there. So I think I'm just going to pass that one along and maybe bring in another like liquid lip. Too big. Okay, well, I'll find something to put there. Okay, so now we're moving on to over here. So I'm just going to move that over there. So I have this Zodiac collection. This is my sign. This is a lip gloss, and I'm just going to put this over here with the other liquid lipsticks. And now I'm just going to get into some of my extras or face masks. So this is also an eyeshadow palette, the Fire Element. So I need to find a place to put this. So I really need to organize that better. I received this a while ago. This is like all the Vice lipsticks, but I'm not using it, and nor have I tried to use it. I think I'm just going to get rid of it. It's just sitting here in my collection. Just got these face masks. Just used this face mask. Still have these Wonder Beauty that I think I've tried maybe one. So I really need to get on the ball game with that. Love these. Great for if you have pimples. See, here's another highlighter that I need to figure out what to do with. So I need to organize this entire collection way better. I have this lipstick here that I just got and I'm not sure about. And I still have this mascara that I need to continue using. See, and then here are some, some crazy lip colors that I bought. But I don't think I'm ever going to use them. I believe I bought them for like some tutorials. And see, and here's even this liquid lip that I really did enjoy. But these two are some really crazy colors that I know I'm not ever going to use. Unless it's like for Halloween or it's for a tutorial. I'm kind of scared to keep them because maybe I won't use them, but I'm going to put them to the side. I'm going to think about it. See, and then I just have some extra stuff, some jewelry. I really need to like organize this way better. So now we're getting into this part of the section, and I found these that have actually been sitting in here for a long time. These are Micellar Makeup Remover eye pads. These didn't exactly work out for me, so I'm just going to get rid of them. I think maybe somebody else. And I've just found my Candy Johnson palette that's been sitting in here probably for God knows how long. I have all of my Halloween stuff here that I use for Halloween. Got to find a place for that. See, and then here are some face masks that I got from my BoxyCharm that are just sitting here. This has been sitting here the longest. I don't think I'm ever going to use it. I'm just going to pass it to somebody who will use it. This Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Pull-Off Mask. I don't know. I've only tried it once, and it kind of made a difference, but then again, not really. So I don't know. Maybe I'll hang on to it and just see. I've had this for quite some time. I only bought it because I heard such major reviews, but to be quite honest, I don't really notice a difference with this, and it's really hard. I would rather use this. This is way better. I have a bag here that's been sitting here for a long time, and I haven't touched it in a long time because I had new makeup and I completely forgot about this stuff. This is old already. It needs to go. I think it actually dried up, so that's gonna go. I don't really reach for this Trestique. It's not because it's not good or anything. It's just that I don't reach for it anymore. I'm not excited about it, so it needs to go. I really like this, but I'm not sure how I feel about it because it's so great on its own that I wouldn't know what to do with it, with anything else. So, I don't know. I need to think about that. I'm not using this anymore. That's got to go. Definitely not using this anymore. That's got to go. Still love this. I have a big one of this. So I don't need it. This is actually really hard to work with. I liked it at first, but then after using it a couple of times, I think I'm just going to make it go away. This is already old, so that's got to get thrown in the trash. I like this, but I'm just not excited about it, so it's going to go. I kept this because I kept thinking, oh, one day I'm going to go and get a bigger size of this, but I never do, so it needs to go. I don't remember it anymore, so bye-bye. Okay. And then my chapstick. So now I could probably put some more stuff in here that I would think I could just quickly grab in the morning when I'm getting ready. So I see a bag here that it's just sitting here. I'm not using it. It's not that it's an ugly bag. I love it. It's just that it's just sitting here, and I think I'm just gonna pass this along to somebody else who could either make good use of it, but I know so far I'm not. So let's see what's inside. An empty face powder. Why did I keep an empty face powder? Empty jar. Why did I keep this? Oh, I think I remember now. This is my empties bag. What is that? This is my empties bag. That's right. I was going to repurchase these items and I kept them. Well, I never did, so goodbye. And goodbye, bag. So this is it. This is the end of my decluttering and my organization. I pretty much got rid of a lot of makeup that I have not been using. And as proof, I'm going to show you what I've got. This is everything that I'm getting rid of. So then this is a pretty big, thick box. So believe it or not, I actually got rid of quite a bit of stuff, even though it doesn't seem like I did. I did. So I'm really proud of myself. I got rid of stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you can, please subscribe. And thank you so much. Bye.